You are from where?
I'm originally from a place called Suriname.
You're from where?
Suriname. Have you ever heard of it?
Suriname?
It's in, yeah, small country in South America. But actually now I'm staying in Indonesia actually at the moment.
Okay. What language do you speak in Suriname? You speak Dutch?
Yeah, the national language is Dutch actually, but we have a lot of
Wow.
languages there. So
How many languages do you speak?
I think about five.
English, Arabic,
Yeah,
Dutch, and Bahasa
Dutch.
Indonesia.
Yeah, Japanese also.
You are of Japanese descent as well, right?
Nah. My mother is Indonesian, like her ancestors were Indonesian, but my father is like mixed Chinese and Colombian.
You are a
Yeah,
multicultural man.
yeah, man, indeed.
That's awesome, man. And what do you do now? Do you study or do you work?
Now I teach at the moment. I'm planning to go to college next year, but at the moment still teaching.
What are you doing on HelloTalk?
Actually, I was trying to learn French, but it's the first time I saw, there's like this platform. So yeah, I was checking out what was really going on. So yeah, I saw it. I said, hey man, yeah, I like the vibe. So yeah, alhamdulillah.
Thank you. You learned Arabic as well?
Yes, I learned some, but not fluent yet.